Sit down if you think that you're still at the moment far beyond reaching the full potential of social media, of what it can do for your business.
The tourism arena is constantly transforming. Digital travel, experiences, authenticity, Generation Y and Z, social media, and much more. How should we react to the changes in markets, consumers, and technology? My name is Eran Ketter, and I'm a tourism marketing researcher, advisor, and keynote speaker. I'm constantly engaged in the research and analysis of tourism and marketing trends, sharing my insights in professional and inspiring keynote talks. In recent years, I've conducted lectures in UNWTO Tourism Forums in over 20 countries, providing a novel perspective and guiding tourism stakeholders in meeting the opportunities and challenges of tomorrow.